So he wants to know why Surah Taubah did not start with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim like the other surahs of the Holy Quran.
Some people believe that Surah Taubah is a sub-chapter of the preceding surah. It is not an independent surah. Some people believe that Surah Taubah does not begin with Bismillah because it warns people against the consequences of their bad behavior, which may not invoke the mercy of Allah. So because Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim invokes the mercy of Allah, so it is removed from the title of the surah as a warning that you may be so wrongful in your behavior and you may not mind for what you do in a manner that you bow to Allah for forgiveness. And in that case, you will not be forgiven. The title Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim will not be applicable. So these people, I think, are right, because then the number of surahs is 114. Otherwise, the number would be reduced to 113. Now, I believe that the number is 114 because the Bismillah missing here is found in the midst of another surah. Which surah is it? Surah Number. So, the number of Bismillah is completed. It's exactly 114. But it's removed as a title from here and added to another surah so that this number remains complete. You know Hazrat Sulaiman, the case of Sulaiman and Malika Sabah, and it says when the letter is read by Hazrat Sulaiman, it begins Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. That's what I refer to.
This is verse number 32 of Surah An-Naml. It says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Innahu min Sulaymana wa innahu Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
See? Nowhere else Bismillah is mentioned in the middle of any other surah, except here, to complete the number, 114.